Sela Paisani, welcome to another episode of Big Mama's Gather. I'm a little late because I was watching Family Feud and I got carried away. I want to thank you all for joining me tonight. I'm going to wait for the audience to come in and join us for tonight's wonderful another edition episode. I think is episode 36 tonight of Big Mama's Gather right here live on Instagram. As always, I want to thank you all for joining me. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to join in and be part of my live audience. It's always fun, and I always look forward to it every week to speak with you and inform you and entertain you. But most of all, my goal is to promote local small businesses. I'm all about giving back and being kind and paying it forward. So tonight I have a very special guest. Now, this guest, she's a very young lady. And hi, Manu. She's a very young lady right here in Montreal. She's a Napaisana, and I met her. She was nice enough to bring me her specialty item that she just opened up her small business. And what is it? They are the Nutella cookies. I'm sure if you follow me and if you've seen my posts, I posted the beautiful box of Nutella cookies that she brought me. And let me tell you, they were delicious. And when you bite into one of these cookies, you will never, never, never believe that it's a young lady that made them. You would think it would be, an older woman, a nonna or a zia that made the cookies, but no. She's a very young lady. We're going to find out how old she is. So she's changed the name. First it was Nutella Delights, and now she turned it into Nonna's Delights because it is Nonna's recipe. And let me tell you, she's got it down. She's got it down to a T. They are fresh. They're very generously filled with Nutella, and they are amazing. And just one is not enough. You won't be satisfied till you finish the box, and you pretty much fight for them because they are amazing. So let's invite Amanda to our live, and we will talk about how she got into this, where the idea came from, and most of all, where you guys can you can attest to that. Manu Kauchi, yes, thank you for supporting local, Manu. Hi, Amanda. How are you?
Hi, Leah.
I'm good, thank you. So,
I'm good.
you're very young. So, I don't know if you want to share your age with us.
Yeah.
Tw-
Oh no, I don't mind. I'm 21
wow,
years old. I'm gonna be
21-year-old,
22 soon.
really amazing chef baker.
Yeah.
You got the recipe from your nonna, right?
Thank you.
So you have the
Yeah,
you,
from my
you
nonna.
got the swing
Yeah.
of things by doing them with your nonna, these Nutella cookies.
Yeah, I've been making the cookies with my grandmother for years now. So I've never really like done them myself. Like I've helped her here and there, but basically because they're rolled in sugar, right? So I would be the one to like roll them in the sugar. But now it's me who actually like learned it, and I'm basically
Wow,
do
and
it
you make
now,
the
you
dough
know?
from
So it's
scratch
nice
as
that I
well?
learned it. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you could tell the dough is
From
very,
scratch, yeah.
very fresh,
Yeah.
very like it just melts in your mouth. And let me tell you, you did good to on Nonna and learn
Yeah.
this beautiful, this beautiful trade.
Yeah.
I had the pleasure of tasting them, and they
For
are truly
sure.
amazing. I've never tasted anything so fresh, so good,
Thank
and
you.
I would have never imagined that a 21-year-old like yourself would have it down packed so good. I mean, they are truly amazing. So,
Thank
so you've been
you.
doing the cookies with
I really
Nonna and you got the
appreciate
hang
it.
of it and you started to make them on your own. So what made you want to open up your little business?
Well, I've been wanting to do these cookies like since last year, but I was always like, okay, like I never have time. I never have time. So I don't know what clicked like last month. I was like, you know what? Like I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm like, I won't know if I don't try, you know? So I just went for it, and honestly, it's been what now, like about 2 weeks and a half, and like it's insane. Like I didn't expect this at all, you know? Like I just opened it I to sell like a bit of cookies, but like I've been like the past 2 weekends, orders like booked, and like it's so overwhelming because I didn't expect this at all, you know? Like and like the love I get from a lot of people and everything, it's like so heartwarming. Like it like wow, like I just
Beautiful,
can't believe
beautiful.
it.
And you
You know,
just
like
did
I
a
can't wrap my
giveaway
head
because you
around
reached
it.
500 followers. That was an
Yeah.
amazing giveaway. It was fun to watch. Your
Yeah.
nonna won and
Yeah.
your cousin won, which is nice. It
Yeah.
stayed in the family. It's wonderful. It's very wonderful to see that you're not camera shy and you take initiative to affiliate yourself with other businesses so you support each other.
Yeah.
And I mean, I tip my
Yeah.
hat to you as a young generation to be doing this and to take initiative and as well as keeping the
Thank you.
traditions and the customs as well as the recipes that get passed on. So I'm sure you're going to get
For sure.
an immense amount of demand because like I said, if you didn't try them, you don't know what you're missing because they are truly a delight in your mouth. And you're going to have more and more requests. So I think you're going to have to make yourself a nice group of people, of
Yeah.
helpers, because
I know.
oh,
I
there you go.
actually
See,
I
beautiful.
have
Show
some right
everybody
here.
what they
Look,
look like. You see when I was talking
this is what
about
they look like.
generosity and the Nutella. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. I make sure to put, like a lot of Nutella because, I know everybody likes Nutella, so
yes,
I'm
it is because
generous with
I
the
mean
amount
I
I put
remember
inside,
I would go to I
so
used to go now I
yeah.
can't go nowhere but I used to go to a lot of events where the sweet table had these
Yeah.
beautiful cookies, but when you take a bite you're like, but where's the Nutella? Like you look,
Yeah.
you're like, "Unde que a Nutella?" But
Yeah.
it's like every bite has it's
Exactly.
like you can't bet you buy the chip like Chips Ahoy. It's bet you buy the Nutella because it's everywhere.
Yeah.
So it's amazing. It's amazing,
Yeah.
and you could tell that
I know.
you put your heart and soul into it, which is it's so nice to see.
For sure, for sure. Like when I make these cookies, it's like I enjoy making them. You know what I mean? It's not like on the weekends that I wake up in the morning to make them. I'm like, oh my god, like I'm excited for the day, and like I love interacting with everybody, and like I don't know, like I love it. I've grown to like really, really love it, and like put a lot of effort in what I do, and like I want to make sure it's the best. Like I want to
Well,
give
you
like the
do, you
people
do.
who
I mean,
order the
and
best
you deliver with your
possible.
cousin, you
So
deliver with your friend Des. I met Des
thank
when you
you.
came to my house. Uh, so it's nice
Yeah.
that at least you have some company, you have some support, and your mom is very supportive. I mean, she even thanked me
For
for
sure.
giving you the shout out, which is, I mean, listen, it's the least I can do to help you, and
Yeah.
I like to see you succeed because as a
Thank
local
you.
business, now you consider yourself a local business. So as a local business, I want to promote you. I want to help get
Yeah.
people aware that they can get this specialty item. I think we crave it because we miss it because the older generation is fading away
Yeah, for
and
sure.
we don't have the recipes or it wasn't handed down to us. So
Yeah.
it's nice to see that you're keeping a tradition alive and you're going to have a lot of demand expected, and it's a good thing because you have a good product and it's
Yeah.
very much like it's desired.
Thank you.
Everybody desires it, and especially now in quarantine, that's all we do is eat, so might as well eat something good.
Yeah. I know. I
So
know.
yeah, so but you still make them
Exactly.
with your
It's
nonna or
true.
with your mom, or you make them all on your own?
Basically, right now, like, because right now I do them at my grandmother's house, but my nonna is like, so basically I have my little team. So it's me, my grandparents. My nonna's at the oven with her little chair and she watches the cookies so they don't burn. I'm here at the table, like preparing, making them all, and my grandfather
Nice.
is the one who rolls
So
them
he
in the
he took on
sugar.
your role when you were a
So
child.
yeah, for now it's like that. Yeah, exactly. Now he takes care of the sugar, and I basically do everything else. And Nonna watches the oven, and she makes
Fantastic.
sure
That's so
they're
nice.
good
It's
and
nice. And at the
everything.
same time,
So
you get to spend time with your grandparents. You get to
yeah,
talk, you laugh. I'm sure you have a blast with
for
them.
sure, for sure. Oh yeah, the laughs we have, I love it. Especially like my grandparents, they're like my best friends. So like I love it. Like it's nice because it brings us together too. It
Absolutely.
makes us
Yeah, no,
even
it's
closer than we
very
already
nice. It's
are.
very nice to see
So
you spend time with your
yeah,
grandparents doing something that you like. And I mean, being Sicilian, being Italian, we're
yeah,
always surrounded by food.
yeah. Yeah, I know. Oh my God, I know. It's so like
Yeah,
it's
if you're skinny
horrible.
Italian, you're not
It's
getting fed properly by
horrible.
the right people.
Yeah,
But like I mean, I don't know what else
exactly.
to say besides keep up what you're doing. Don't stop. Sometimes you may be discouraged because you're overwhelmed with the orders, but don't
Thank
worry, you'll
you.
get to it. And I'm sure people are going to be patient.
At first, at first, for sure, you know, because like it's the first time I ever do something like this. So I was like, I don't know how to handle it, you know, but I'm starting to get the hang of it. Because like I said, like I did not expect this at all. I just started this to like, you know, I didn't expect to get as many orders or anything. Like it's crazy. Like there's even like places that want to start selling the cookies and everything. And I'm like, oh my God, like it's a lot, you know, but it's amazing, you know, and like, maybe my goal, like in a year or two from now, who knows, like I'd want to open
Sure.
like a little store or something, you
Absolutely.
know, because it's nice. Yeah. And
Yes.
I had to change, I just to tell everybody the reason why the name changed. Okay, so basically I had put Nutella Delights at first because, like I said, I didn't expect it to, like, you know, do whatever, do good, I guess you can say. But now, like, I had no choice because I read up on the Nutella trademark and basically I can't use their name, you know. So I changed it now in case, because I don't want like problems in the future, whatever. So now, but also I changed it because the fact that it is my Nana's recipe. So like Nana's
Absolutely. Yes.
Delights was good as well,
I
you know.
like it.
So I'm really
I
happy with
like
the
the
name
new one
change too,
too. I
and
really
it
do.
fits
I
perfectly.
think it accentuates the fact that it's
Yeah,
a tradition that's being passed on, and it's something that you will treasure for the rest of your
yeah,
life because it's your nonna that you know showed it to you, that
for
gave it to
sure.
you. So I like the name. You're just gonna have to change your T-shirt and your apron now, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's already taken care of. I already messaged
That's
everybody. So
wonderful.
it's
But
getting
like I
changed.
said, you're gonna
Yeah,
have orders. Don't get overwhelmed. People are gonna be patient. You have a good thing in your hands. But are you in
yeah.
school or you stop school? Because I mean, you're 21.
Right now, yeah, right now, because I basically what I want to do is I want to work. I've always wanted to work with kids because I love kids and everything. So I was thinking now, like, I'm going to go into like a program because I want to work in a school and basically like help kids. But now with this too, so maybe I'm not sure what my plan is yet or what like the future holds for me. Maybe I'll work in a school and then eventually, you know, like keep this business on the weekends. But I mean, like, now I'll see how things go. There is potential here, you know. So if it keeps going good or
Yeah, yeah,
whatever,
because
maybe my plans will
yeah,
change.
you're
So
absolutely right.
we'll
You're
see. I'm
very
still
young.
young,
You
you
still have
know.
your whole
So
life ahead of you, and if you do want to return to your studies, that is the
yeah,
most important because an education is very good and it's an
yeah,
asset. But you could always study at
for
night
sure.
or you know modify your schedule in order to. And I'm sure
Yeah.
people are going to understand. Look, I mean, there's also another small business. It's called Pop It Montreal. She's young and she has school as well. I've
I've
been trying to
heard.
get her on my live
Yeah,
and she's very busy with school and it's
yeah,
understandable, but I mean you have to see what's best for
yeah,
you in order not to lose the joy of what you're doing. You have to enjoy
for
what
sure.
what you're doing, because if you don't like it and you do it
Yeah,
out of obligation,
exactly.
you lose your motivation, you lose it.
Exactly. If you don't like what you're doing, then like what's the point? You know what I mean? You have to
You're
enjoy
right.
what you
You're
do in
right.
life,
Well,
or else
listen. Is
yeah,
there anything else you want to tell people?
yeah.
How could they find you? How could they contact you? How long does it take you to deliver? Okay, let's do one at a time. Where could they find you?
Okay, so basically to break down the details, so basically you guys, if you want to place orders, I take orders all during the week, and the last day is Thursday at 12 p.m. And basically it's every Saturday and Sunday I make the cookies fresh. So you could DM me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp now. So anywhere you could message me and let me know like what your order is. And basically it's either on Saturday or Sunday pickup or delivery. And there's delivery fees for like certain places depending where you are. And that's pretty much it. Also option like for the cookies without sugar if you want. There's people who have ordered before because like they don't want sugar on top. That could be done too. And like right now, because I've been getting a lot of questions too to answer. Like right now, it's just strictly like Nutella cookies, like what I'm doing. But I've tried a combination of peanut
Yes.
butter and Nutella. Like you had told me you wanted to try those ones. So I tried them. My friends did a taste test. It's just because I have to do another batch trying those, but it's because the peanut butter in the oven, like it comes out too much, you know. Like so I have to find like a way to like mix the both equally. But my friends did a taste test and they said that it was really really good. So maybe like eventually I'll like do that. But I also have like other ideas from like let's say like my cousins stuff who also like baking in the family and they have like other like Nutella like recipes and stuff. So maybe eventually like it'll be out on the menu. But for
Perfect.
now it's
Perfect.
this and
What was my
then
other
we'll see.
question
But that's
now?
pretty much it.
Oh my God, I had
Yeah.
so many. I forgot them all. So where could they find you? They can find you on Instagram under Nonna's Delights. Instagram, Facebook,
None as
WhatsApp.
the lights. Yeah. on
You order
Instagram.
till maximum deadline
Yeah,
is 12 p.m. on Thursday because it gives you time to bake them, and you deliver
12
on
p.m.
the weekend. There's a bit of a fee if you're really out in the boondocks. Um, what
Yeah,
else?
yeah.
You're located in RDP. Can people come and
Located
pick
in
up rather than
RDP.
have it delivered?
Also that. Yeah. People, yeah, pickups. People could
Okay.
pick up. There's a lot of pickup orders as well, so pickup is available too, and especially now also with like, for example, like there's I also do like no contact delivery because of the whole COVID situation. Basically, I'll accept e-transfer, or like let's say you e-transfer me or whoever doesn't want to be in the contact, like you
Okay.
message me, I'll leave like the box there. You
Okay.
know what I
And
mean?
do
So
you
as
do?
safe
Is
as
your dough
possible.
gluten
So
free or not?
yeah.
Are you planning to introduce that or not?
No, no. It could be an idea. I was actually thinking about that because I know, gluten free, so
Okay,
maybe I'll
perfect.
find a way for that as well.
Anything
So
else you wanna mention?
yeah.
You wanna include?
I guess that's pretty much it. But since whoever's watching, I just want to say like thank you, like very very much for all the love and like the support you show. Like it's very overwhelming, and like I just like I'm very very happy, and I hope like you guys are happy too. And like the messages I get like always make me smile and stuff. Like
Yes,
that. You guys
it's
all
a
love the
it's a very
cookies,
good
so
product, and
it's
I'm
really
I'm not
really
just
nice,
saying
and I
this. They
appreciate
are
it.
delicious, and let me tell you,
Thank you.
they didn't last long in my house. It was almost a tug of war over the last one.
I believe you.
We were betting on it. So like they're amazing. You won't even have a chance to put them in the pantry. They're just that good. No,
Yeah,
it's not.
like the quote says, one is never enough. And the text messages I get too make me die of laughter because like I get people saying like they pick up and they text me like 2 minutes after like, oh, I already ate the box, or I'm eating one, or like my kids finished half the box, or like like the same clients like keep ordering for this week too because like they already finished, like I didn't even have a chance to
Yeah, no,
eat
that's how
one,
good they are. That's
like
how
it's
good they are. And
hilarious. Yeah,
keep it up. Don't change
it's
anything. If
hilarious.
anything, you want
Yeah,
to you want to spice it up a little, like you said, put the peanut butter. Maybe mix the peanut butter and the Nutella first instead of putting it separately.
yeah,
I'm sure you're gonna come up with a solution for it,
for
and they're gonna
sure.
be a hit as well. I wish you continued
Yeah,
success. I wish you a lot more orders. So people,
thank
if you're in the
you.
Montreal area, sorry, she doesn't ship out of the country. So if you're in the Montreal area, you can pick up or get
Yeah.
it delivered. Nonna's Delights for Nutella cookies, and you guys will not be disappointed. And Amanda, I want to thank you very much for taking the
Thank
time to
you.
join me tonight and telling everyone your story. My
Thank
pleasure.
you
Say
so
hi to
much
the
for having me
family,
on.
and I'll be
Thank
seeing you soon,
you.
Bella.
I will.
Thank you. Bye bye.
I'll see you soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye.
So there you have it, guys. This is Nutella's Delight. No, not me. Nutella's Delight. I'm still in the old version. Nonna's Delights. These are authentic Nutella cookies, Nonna's recipe. Now, how many Nonnas you know actually give out their recipe? Not very many, but this Nonna, not only did she give her granddaughter the recipe, but she's also helping her make them. She's helping her distribute them to everyone who enjoys Nutella cookies. And like I said, she's very generous with the Nutella. She's a sweet young lady. She's 21 years old. You got to commend her for that, for being so open and willing to put her heart and soul into something and to keep it alive, keep the tradition alive. And the product is just fabulous. So I encourage you all to check out her page, give her a follow, and of course, place your orders. You have until Thursday, 12 p.m. to put in your orders so she can make them fresh on Saturday morning and deliver them to you, or you can pick them up. And yes, she is being very careful and very safe with the situation right now, that you can have a no contact delivery or no contact pickup. You can transfer her the money, and she'll just drop it off in front of the door, or you can pick it up. So she's being very cautious, very responsible, and she has cookies to die for. Guys, I want to thank you all for being part of my live audience. I want to thank you all for joining me tonight. I'm all about giving back. I'm all about raising awareness of what's available and all the resources that we have in the city. And especially, I'm all about supporting local small businesses. And what a wonderful business this is. A young woman, trying to make it in the world, and trying to build her business with everything that's going on, and sharing her nonna's recipe with all of Montreal, with all of us. And let me tell you, she's got it down packed. She really knows what she's doing. She paid attention when nonna was teaching her, and that's wonderful. So thank you all for being part of my live. I will be posting this video on my YouTube channel as well as Facebook. So please, if you missed it, you can watch it again. But also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana, Learn Sicilian one word at a time. And of course, if you're watching me live, that you tuned in, please follow me on Instagram for more videos that are informative as well as entertaining. And join me next week for another Big Mamas Gather live right here on Instagram. And on that note, I want to bid you all a good night. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Who's this? Wait, Vanda Persia. I was late. I was too late. I wanted to talk to you. You want to talk to me? Okay, Vanda, you want to come on? Let's see what Vanda has to say. I just saw now. Hi, Manu. Let's see. Is she going to accept? No. Wait. Hi, how are you?
Hi. Good.
Oh,
I'm calling
that's
you
nice.
from Thorold,
We're neighbors.
Ontario. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I
really
watch you all the
appreciate it.
time.
Thank you very
I
much.
really enjoy your
Italian
show.
descent? Abruzzese,
I'm
nice.
Italian, Abruzzese. Yes, my parents come from La
Okay.
Provincia di Aquila.
Very nice.
Yeah. So, yeah, I really enjoy. I watch you. I follow you. I've been to Montreal. My ex-husband's family's from Montreal. And I've been there a
Nice.
couple
Yeah,
of
it's a
times,
nice
and I
city when
loved
it's not
it.
under lockdown or curfew.
Yeah, same here.
Oh,
I have a daughter
congratulations.
getting married in October. Yes, and I'm so excited, but we're pushing back the
It's not
shower
easy.
dates and the wedding dates.
I know
It's
the whole world is
it's just been crazy,
feeling it, but hang
you
in
know?
there. Don't give up hope. And a wedding is always a happy occasion. So whatever you can do to make it memorable, just enjoy and celebrate the love, because we need
Absolutely.
more love in the world. And to see two people that love each other so much that they want to spend their life together is just beautiful to watch.
Yes, absolutely. And you keep doing what you're doing. I really enjoy. I follow you all the time.
Thank
I
you.
love what you do for your community. I'm very
Good for
involved in
you.
the
Good.
Italian
Thank you.
community here,
Thank you.
so
Thank you, sweetheart. And
keep
you
it
stay
up, my
safe,
dear.
and you be well. Thank you very much. I
Okay,
appreciate it. Thank you.
for sure. You
Sure,
too.
sure.
We'll
Give me
see
a
you in
call. We'll
Montreal
hook up for a
sometime.
coffee. Ciao, ciao.
For sure. Ciao, Bella. Ciao.
Wow, a nice fan. What a beautiful compliment. I don't take compliments very well, but it's nice to see that some way, somehow, I'm affecting people in a positive way, and that's what I'm all about. I like to spread positivity and kindness and paying it forward, and most of all, to be humble. I've always said it. If being a public figure gets to my head to the point where I become too conceited or too proud, somebody please tell me, and I'm going to stop. I do not want to stop being humble. We're all human. I am. I'm just as human, and I make mistakes just like everyone else. I am mortal as well. I'm no saint. I make my mistakes and I admit to them. But let's just be more compassionate towards each other. Let's be more understanding. Most of all, let's be forgiving. Let's forgive, because we too need forgiveness. So I'm not gonna preach to you tonight, but I just want to thank you all, and I want to encourage you to at least do one good deed a day to a stranger. It'll mean a lot to them, and it'll make you feel good too. Uh, be kind to each other, be safe, take care of each other, e come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu, everybody. This is it. Now I'm shutting it off. Okay. Buonanotte, everybody. Mwah. Un bacione a tutti. Ciao, ciao.